Hello students. In a 10th topic, magnetic field due to an electric current, we are going to discuss about moving coil galvanometer, that is MCG, and the structural diagram from MCG moving coil galvanometer is as shown in figure, in which a coil of number of turns of rectangular shape which is movable, which can rotate about its central axis, okay, that is moving coil, which is wound around the central iron core. Coil is moving but iron core is stationary. A metallic wire is suspended from a rigid support with a mirror, okay, which is used to measure the deflection in the suspended wire. ह्या वायरमध्ये जे काही ट्विस्ट किंवा टॉर्क तयार होईल किंवा अँगल तयार होईल त्या अँगलला मेजर करण्यासाठी ह्या मिररचा उपयोग होईल. त्यानंतर ही जी रेक्टेंग्युलर कॉईल आहे ही स्ट्रॉंग मॅग्नेटिक फील्डमध्ये प्लेस केलेली असेल, ओके. ड्यू टू दिस magnetic field, this movable coil is acted upon by a torque, okay, and this torque is given by tau is equal to NIAB, where A is area of the coil, B is the magnetic field, strength of magnetic field, N is number of turns, and I is the current flowing through the coil, okay. This torque is balanced by the torque in the suspended coil or suspended wire, okay. The torque due to external magnetic field is balanced by the torque due to the suspended wire due to the restoring torque in this suspended wire. Suppose I is the current flowing through the coil and phi is the angle of twist in the coil. Then the restoring torque tau is given by K phi, where K is torsional constant of spring, okay, and these two torques are balanced, okay, balances each other. So from equation 1 and equation 2 we can compare. This side is same, therefore these sides must be same, therefore we can compare K phi is equal to NIAB. From this transfer this K toward this side, so we will get phi is equal to NAB divided by K into I. All these terms are constant for a rectangular coil. So this angle of twist or restoring angle of deflection is directly proportional to the current flowing through the coil, okay, means deflection in the coil is in proportion with the current flowing through the coil, okay. This we can say that the deflection is proportional to the current, okay. So this was about the moving coil galvanometer. Okay. So if any doubt, then ask. So thank you, students.